Hello, hi, good evening, teachers. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, and welcome to our upskilling session. How's everyone? Okay, who do we have here? We have teacher Marian. Hi, teacher Marian. Yeah, good to see you again, teacher. Good to see you again. Teacher Jessa, teacher April, teacher Ophelia, teacher Gigi, teacher Mo, and teacher Nika. Yes, I hope everyone is doing okay. Yes. Yeah. Start of it. Yes, teachers. So welcome. I'm happy to see you all. Okay, how's your classes? Okay, for those who are already teaching, how's your classes? Kumusta naman mga klase ninyo? Dumadami na ba mga students natin diyan? Kayo na ba ang umaayaw sa mga schedules ninyo?
Hmm.
Yes. Or sa mga wala pa, so you have to be motivated, you have to be you have to motivate yourself because yeah, this is a great opportunity for you talaga. So you just have to keep pushing. Yeah, we have I believe yeah, sakto lang. Yeah, teacher May here. So teacher May has gone through a lot and I'm happy that teacher May has nakapag-start na, right, teacher May? Teacher May Hernandez, right? So, kumusta ang,
Yes,
ang,
sir.
ang classes mo, teacher?
I don't have a class right now. I
Mm,
only have six slots today. Maybe kasi
mm.
Saudi Arabia, sir, yung hawak ko ngayon. Kaya pag Friday and Saturday ata sa kanila ang weekend. So, low booking ako pag Friday and Saturday. So, that's
Oh,
my ano, day off
okay.
na rin.
I see. All right. So thank you for sharing, Teacher May. Actually, it differs now. So I think it differs from different companies din yan. Some companies, weekends, you're gonna have a lot of students. Yeah. But there are some companies, kasi iba yung priorities ng students nila. So magdi-differ sa time zone. Right? Like you,
Yes,
Teacher
sir.
May, because you're dealing, some of your students are, that you have from Saudi, right? You have some from Saudi and other countries as well.
Yeah,
Mhm.
Middle East mostly, sir.
Middle
And
East.
Thailand. I have also a student on Thailand, Malaysia.
I see. Okay, great. Glad to know that, Teacher May, that yes, finally you're able to teach. You're able to start teaching na. Alright? Yeah, and I believe everyone is well here. Meron pa ditong wala pa at meron ding nakapag-start na. So, yeah. So I just want to remind everyone that there are two ways, right? There are two ways for us to earn. So we have this being employed. Okay, let me share. So are you guys familiar with Robert Kiyosaki's ESBI in for us for our cash flow quadrant. We have this what we call cash flow quadrant. So cash flow quadrant has something to do with how do we earn, you know. So sa atin sa ESL teaching, sa ESL teaching meron tayong my goal, di ba? I've asked you, I told you this is your business. Consider this one as your business. Do not consider this one as just you being employed. But in ESBA, okay, kay Robert Kiyosaki, E is for employed. Is everyone employed? Employed means you are under the company. And S is for the self-employed. Ito na yung freelancer. Yeah. Under the company, that you are working under the company, someone is paying you. Self-employed, the freelancer, na is like you will have your direct clients. Yeah, you'll have your direct clients. That's why ikaw ang magmo-market, ikaw ang mag-promote ng mga language courses mo. Unlike for employed, so empleyado ka, you just have to sit like what you guys, if you're still employed, so you just have to conduct all the classes given to you because all the lessons, all the like the students are provided na, right? So ikakandak na lang natin yung klase. For self-employed yun nga, yung freelancer, you're gonna do your own marketing to lesson planning, and so on. Kaya, pag self-employed, kung employed ka, your rate is around 100 to, depending sa company, 300 only. Yeah, it will have this kind of range lang. It will never, I haven't heard pa na isang company nagbibigay ng malalaking rate, more than 300. But I think may mga iba, pero I haven't encountered it yet. But if you're a freelancer, you could charge 200 to 300, right? For 25 minutes. See? Madodoble. Pag freelancer ka na, self-employed, bakit? You have to do it on your own, right? You have to do the marketing, you have to do everything. I mean, business mo na ito. Parang, if you won't market your business, if you won't market your services, you won't get students as well, right? Unlike for employed, everything is provided. See the difference in terms of income capacity? Now, as for the business, how it become your business, diba? Once you be overflowing na ng mga students, that you can no longer take care, you can no longer accommodate your students, so you have your agency, right? You have your team. You're gonna hire teachers, yeah, who will work under you. You're gonna have your own team now. So that's for business. And I is the investment. All right. So teachers, what's your goal? I want to ask you, what's your goal? Is your goal to be employed lang ba for the rest of the year, or like, or would goal mo din ba na magiging freelancer ka na in the future, like having your direct clients? And then do you have this kind of goal, like hopefully in the future you could set up your own agency that you will be managing your team, right? Be managing your team of teachers. Yeah, anong goal ninyo? An investment, depende niyan kung yung mga investment mo, but ito yung talaga, we're gonna start with being employed, then self-employed, then business. Kaya I want to ask you, what's your goal? Yeah, okay. We have here employed plus freelancer, then business na. Yeah, employed, freelancer, business na. Okay, at least everyone, it's at least clear sa inyo. Because each of these, meron ding corresponding task that you have to do. I want to ask you, itong si employed at self-employed, does it need your presence for you to earn? Or pwede mo na ba to, pwede ka bang mag-ano dito? Does it need your presence for you to earn being employed? Kung a-absent ka sa trabaho, may bayad ka ba? Wala. Kung self-employed, kung hindi ka magma-market, hindi ka mag-o-open ng slots, hindi ka magtuturo, may income ka ba?
Wala. No.
Wala din, right? Okay. Both wala. It only means employed and self-employed are still what we call active income, right? So it needs your presence for you to earn. So kung hindi ka mag-work, it means no work, no pay. Kung sa trabaho, as employed, kung self-employed, no work, no income, or no, yun nga, profit. Yes or no? Right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. That's
Yes.
what we call active income. Now, as for the business, it's like you'll be able to put up your agency. But now, how can you put up a business if wala ka pang teachers na i-hire? So you need to hire teachers who will work under you. That means you're gonna earn profit per class, right? So you're gonna have income per teacher's class. Bakit? Kasi sa business, ikaw na ang mag-negotiate ng mga clients mo. Ang teachers, ikaw na din mag-schedule ng mga teachers mo. Ikaw na maghahanap ng books para sa student at sa teachers mo. Ikaw na lahat. Right? So now, with this one, with this team of teachers who's working under you, does it need your presence ba for you to earn? Or kahit wala ka, because your teachers are working, may income ka pa din? Yeah. Does it need your presence?
Hindi na. Dili na.
Yeah. So mangyayari yan, though kahit wala ka pa, hindi ka nagwo-work, I mean, hindi ka nagtuturo during that day, but because you have teachers, right? You have teachers working under you, So you can earn na out from, you can earn na. So anong tawag natin dyan? Passive
Passive
income.
income.
Yeah, right? So it's now other people work for you na. It's you no longer work for others. But now, baka kasi meron tayong mindset na, uy, ano ba naman siya? Nininegosyo naman yung ibang teacher, blah, 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 blah. You know, with that kind of mindset, so you won't be able to you won't be able to reach the passive income. Bakit? Everything is business. Do you believe that, teachers?
Yes, coach.
Yeah, everything is business. So what we have to do is you need to find ways to earn more so that what you could it can help reach your dreams, right? But here for the business side, I don't think it's unfair, bakit? Kasi once you start your agency, pwede ka actually you could what on offline, like meron na talaga kayong center. Have you ever dreamed of that, teachers? Like you could be able to set up a center sa city ninyo, and you are hiring na mga teachers, you are training na you're training and hiring teachers na. Have you ever thought of that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good. I have to say that's good. That means you are aiming, you know, you're leading your opportunity now into a bigger stage. Yeah, because what's the reason for us to keep working is for us to earn, right? So we have to find ways how we could earn more in a convenient way na hindi na tayo actually hindi siya totally mahirap kasi you just have to contact those employers, yung may mga contacts ka. Kaya yung pag-freelance mo, teachers, paano we could start that? Employed ka, no? Diba? You gain experience. You gain experience. Once you have fully gained experience na, you are now confident to market your courses, market your ano. Pag madami ka ng overflowing ka na dito, overflowing na yung students mo, that's the time you could set up like you can have a negotiation with the parents na business minded then. Hey, I have set of teachers here. Then pwede ikaw mag-supply ng students, I have teachers here. Right? And then that's how you set up agency. So you of course you are paid for that because meron kang operational cost. Yes or no? Right, teachers? Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Yeah, I'm really encouraging you. So now I'm laying this opportunity down for everyone. For you guys to see the pwede pala. Actually, pwede. Yeah, pwede. Mhm. Ganito kalaki ang potential ng ano natin, ng pagiging ESL teacher. Alright? Investment, it's up to you na anong investment. Basta ito talaga, we start with active income and our goal is passive income. You may have your passive, you may also have your active income. So I'm just giving you this kind of picture when you can actually do that. But the question there is how, right? Yan yung how. Yeah, yun eh. Lalong-lalo na, okay, for the new ones, for those who are not yet teaching, so yeah, keep yourself motivated. You have to start teaching now. Send your SIV, send your CV, ipa-check sa second para ma-recommend ko kayo. And then for those who are working, find ways to, okay, have the sideline. I-sideline nyo yung freelancing. I-sideline nyo yung promotion. Because we don't know, right? We don't know. Your time will come na mas you could earn more, you could attract more ano pala sa pag-freelancing. And with that, you could start business as you go along. It may take time, but at least you have this clear roadmap, right? At least you guys have this clear roadmap. So kaya, pinisend ko ito sa inyo para you may have this kind of idea like pwede pala. Kasi yan yung vision, yan din yung gusto kong like what I look forward for you guys na maging successful talaga dito sa field na to. Not only as an employed ESL tutor, But in the future, yeah, but in the future, you guys may have this kind of na perspective na, oh, you can. Yes, you can. Yeah. So, yun nga. How do we do that? Paano natin yung gagawin? So, you have to equip yourselves. Do you believe that you cannot give something of what you do not have? Right?
Yes, of course.
Yes,
Yes.
of course, Eden.
You cannot give something of what you do not have. So, you should know ano yung mga bagay na lacking ka. Ano yung mga bagay, ano yung areas or aspects of your pagiging ESL teacher. Ano yung kulang? What are the things that I need to work out for me to be fully competent? Competent. Not just we can all become confident, right? But it's what's the difference between confident and competent? What do you guys think? Yeah. What's the difference between confident and competent? Kung confident, everyone can be confident, right? Pwedeng everyone magiging confident. Confident, yeah, that means you feel good. But competent is, yeah, you have the right, you have those set of right skills intended for that particular field. Yeah. Kaya nga meron tayong tinatawag na kahit sa mga schools, learning competencies. Even sa TESDA, we have this what we call learning competencies. If you are into like food and beverages, so meron mga learning competencies yan. If marunong ka ba rito, marunong ka ba sa mga specific skills. If you are into driving, there are learning competencies. If you know how to park, you know how to read the road signs, you know how to reverse, you know how to get those things. Learning competency. Same din sa ating teachers. For us to be fully competent, we should know ano yung mga learning competencies na dapat nating i-improve pa. Alright? Oh, now, I want to assess yourself. I want you to assess yourselves now. If you're going to rate from 1 to 10, how confident are you now? How confident, let's say, confident, how confident are you in your English, in your communication and teaching skills? From confident mo na, how confident are you with the skills that you have right now? 1 to 10. 10 is the highest, 1 is the lowest. Okay, so in terms of confidence, that's good that you guys have that confidence that you can deliver. Yes? You're confident that you can deliver. Okay, that's for the confidence. Now, let's have the competence. Okay? Now, how competent are you in these, fears market? How competent are you compared to other teachers? How competent are you with your skills that you can compete with other teachers in terms of communication, in terms of teaching, in terms of attracting, in terms of getting more students, in terms of handling classes? Yeah, all right. Okay, yes, okay, thank you guys for sharing. See? That's the difference. The confidence, you may have this confidence at this particular field. The question there, how competent are you if you will be competing with other teachers, right? But teachers, I have to say, I want to tell you, you really need to look, you really need to find ways to check those who are better than you. Why? Because that's your motivation. Yeah. And there will be times that you will be better than anyone, and there will always be people who will be better than you. Yes or no?
Yes, coach.
Right?
Yes,
Yes.
coach.
Yeah. So, ganyan talaga ang life. There are, maybe for now, you're better than the others, okay? But there are also people who are better than you. Now, you have to do it in a positive way. for those who are better than you have to learn from them, right? You have to learn from them. You have to get some like how did they do it? Yeah. Yung mga ESL groups na nagpo-post there, hindi lang yun nga eh. Minsan yung mga parang yung mga matagal na, yun yung silang silent mode talaga. Yeah,
Tama, coach.
you won't see them showcasing their hindi mo sila makikita o most likely lang not unless communication. Yeah, low key lang talaga. Not unless you
Oo.
really ask, you seek. But for those who are, yeah, I'm not, but I believe, I applaud, I applaud with their confidence. Yeah. Lalo na yung sa ESL group na merong nag-offer ng SIV revision. Nag-offer siya, pinakita niya yung SIV niya, and you know what sa SIV niya? Hello, good day. I am teacher like A, and I came from the Philippines. So galing, anong doon? Medyo off doon.
Okay.
I came from. I came from yung ginamit niya. So, wala. Yung mga, I believe kasi, yung mga they don't, it doesn't matter na lang talaga. But good thing, meron talaga nagre-react doon din. Meron pa isa, nag-o-offer ng SIV, parang revision and edit. I am teacher X, and I am probably from the Philippines.
Probably.
Probably. Hindi sure. Kaya nga, wow. Confidence level. Gabi. Ang believe ako dun sa teacher na yan. Pero, in terms of competence, what do you guys think? Yeah. Dun pa lang, right? Sa cake from, at probably, so medyo, hindi yun, yung mga edits din niya, medyo pwede siya, pero low-paying companies ang naa-attract doon. I'll tell you. Right? So, well, it's okay naman dun sa mga newbies yung natulungan niya. So, but yun lang, yun tara yung the confidence and the competence. We may have the confidence, but the question there is, how competent are we if we're gonna compete with others? Kasi, dito sa ESL teaching, di ba sa school teachers, do we have any choices ba when we were in high school or elementary with our teachers na na-assign sa ating subjects? Did we have any, or wala?
No
Wala,
option.
coach.
No option talaga, no? Di ba have you had any, mga boring teachers during those time, and then you didn't have any choice but to get the subject, right? Pero dito sa ESL teaching, our students have all the chances of choosing whose teacher do they want to, learn from. Yes. Kung young student mo ngayon, anytime, pwede yang mag-cut ng enrollment at doon sa ibang teacher mag-conduct ng class. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. That's reality. That's why I'm telling you that for you guys to have that mindset. Ganito pala dito. Kaya you shouldn't be complacent. We shouldn't be complacent in a way, okay na ako nito, satisfied na ako. No, 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 no. Don't ever think that way. Because anytime may new teacher na dumating, and then yung regular student mo, later na-realize mo, ba't nawawala yun? Nandun na pala sa new teacher na medyo active, na nagamit ang mga mas engaging kumpara sa'yo. Right? Kaya do not be complacent, teachers. Always show, learn how to be more, competent by giving engaging lessons and interactive lessons. So do with the communication skills talaga. Saan maa-attract ang mga clients natin in terms of communication? Anong mga maa-attract sila? With our
Our pronunciation.
Yeah, pronunciation. It's just pronunciation, but our accent.
Our
Yes.
accent.
That's the first thing that they really love listening into. Yeah. And then how confident are you now with your communication skills? Right? Kasi yun nga sa ES sa marketing, you have to show more pictures of your classes, short clips kasi doon nila makikita yung legitimacy mo or how you handle your classes. All right? So, ganun, teachers. So, that's our goal for you really, guys. For those who are new ones, okay, experiencing nyo muna yung pagiging employed for a few months or years, depende kung ano ka, saan ka mas comfortable. But again, always aim for a greener pasture. Ang laki ng opportunity na to. Before I've started with 90, because nag-dream ako, I was always dreaming for the better ones, for better opportunities. Kaya napunta ako dito kung ano ko ngayon because I kept on dreaming, right? I kept on pursuing not totally perfection, but I kept on pursuing better version of myself, but at the same time better income, right? So that's why, teachers, I would love to you to think that way as well. Whatever you have now, it's good, okay? It's good. But don't ever forget to dream big, to dream higher, because ang laki ng opportunity na ito. Alright? So, sa akin ngayon, actually, pwede na ako into business, but it's my personality that I don't like managing people. I don't like managing. I don't like managing mga people, yeah. So, kaya nag sa freelancing lang ako hanggang sa tsaka training. Yes. But if you guys have that kind of skills in managing a team, that you can handle teachers, so go for it. Kasi passive income, right? You could earn more than what what you can imagine. Kasi ang laki talaga. All right? So now, in terms of competence, ano mga dapat nating i-work out? Ano mga dapat nating i-hone pa, i-develop pa? So, unang-una, ang communication skills. At the same time, the knowledge, the foundation, the knowledge and skills na dapat nating i-master. Okay, so now here, I want you guys to, I'll give you let's say, introduce yourself. Okay, so let's hear it from you all. Show the best introduction that you could ever give. I just need first five volunteers. All right, I'll give you 2 minutes to plan. Okay, to think. So imagine so take every chance opportunity you guys can know. Anyway, you can close your cameraman so no one can see you, so anyone can just hear you. All right, so I'll be needing 5 volunteers to introduce themselves. You guys have to introduce yourselves in the best introduction you could ever give with your communication skills, showcasing your communication skills to ever imagine that you're dealing with a lot of people here. So, saan pa kayo mag-practice? Of course, dito, right? Paano kayo makakapag-handle ng madaming teachers? How can you start having the confidence na i-train sila if hindi ka if itakot ka makipag-usap, right? So, let's take this chance. I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes to draft or to arrange your introduction, and after that, when you're ready, please type 1. Okay, the first 5 para i-introduce nyo ang sarili nyo. The best introduction you'd ever give. Okay, so 2 minutes. It's 10:30, so 10:32 we're gonna have your self introduction. The best. Imagine na you will be the introduction about yourself, about what you can offer. Imagine minamarket ninyo ang sarili ninyo. Okay? So, ganun, teachers. So, you have 2 minutes to set it up. Okay, then after, when you're done, please type 1. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, you're done. Please type 1. Yeah, imagine that you are presenting that sa mga potential clients ninyo, right? Of course, if you want to, let's say, into freelancing na, if you want to attract direct students, direct payment, direct communication, so ano yung i-represent mo na because they can actually become your business partner in the future. May mga direct students ko ngayon. So ako lang talaga hindi mahilig sa management. Yung mag-hire ng yun nga ipapamani sa akin pero I never I don't like managing kasi kaya hindi ako nag-open, I mean hindi ko tinatanggap yung mga offers nila. But you know what? That's from my direct clients. See, if you could get direct clients as well sa in the future, then the same kayo ng mindset. Yeah, business. So pwedeng mangyari yun. But they won't offer any opportunity sa iyo if they won't see anything worthwhile or worth it na abilidad mo. Alright? Ang dami kong mga contacts ngayon na Chinese na hindi nila nakita mga naalaman lang nila yung SIV ko and then yun pinakita ko lang ng mga other communication skills and so on. Believe na sila, teachers. Yeah. So kaya ganon. Who wants to try? Anyone? Wala?
Nag-draft pa, coach. Nag-draft pa.
Okay. Oh, go. Whatever comes to your mind, teacher. Yeah. Let's say this is something that you have to. Okay, go, teacher Angela, please. Yes, teacher Angela, go.
Hello, everyone. My name is Teacher Angela. I am so excited to be your English language teacher. I have a passion for helping students gain confidence in speaking, reading, writing, and understanding English. I've been teaching English for more than 18 years, working with students from different ages and backgrounds, from learners to adults. In my classes, I like to create a fun, supportive, and interactive environment where everyone feels comfortable to practice and make mistakes because that's how we learn. I enjoy using games, real life conversations, and engaging activities to make our lessons practical and enjoyable. When I'm not teaching, I love drawing, reading books, watching movies, traveling, and learning new languages myself. and I always look for new ways to bring interesting topics into our lessons. I look forward for getting to know each one of you, my dear pupils. Please don't hesitate to ask me questions. I'm always here to help you. Thank you, and let's make this day amazing. Happy learning, everyone. Charot.
Our
Hi, Teacher
Charot.
Lena.
Oh, hi, Teacher A. Wow.
Bye.
I'm happy to have you here. Happy to hear you're
Sorry,
new.
dadaan lang po.
Yeah, that was good. Okay, that was cool, Teacher A. With your tone, with the sound that you have, shown to everyone, it only shows that you're confident. You know what you're talking about. You know what you're offering. Yeah, mafe-feel natin yan kasi the way we deliver our words, the way how spontaneous we are in delivering those thoughts, mafe-feel yan ni sino man ang mag-watch even or hear, our voice speaks, volume, right? If yun, sa audio yun, our voice speaks volume means it shows, it will give something feeling na, okay, the teacher, this person knows what he's talking about. If it has a video, teachers, it can add up, but also again, our eye speaks volume as well. If saan tayo nakatingin, right? If nakatingin tayo sa video, eye contact yung parang nakikipag-usap talaga. So that's something Chinese love, clients love, because they see in you that you're confident, or you know what you're talking about, you know what you are offering. All right, thank you, Teacher A. Okay, keep it up. I hope you have that. You have that in video and then post it in market. In market mo yan, Teacher A. Okay.
Thank you, Teacher. Thank you so much, Teacher Lino. And I am informing everyone that I am a product of Teacher Lino, and I have been teaching. I've been hired for almost 7 months.
Oh
And I am so
yeah.
thankful
Wow.
to Sir Lino.
Time flies so
Thank you
fast.
so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you,
All
Teacher A.
right.
I-push na yan. I-push na yan ang pag-market. Just message me for any assistance, all right?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Teacher. Oh, we have Teacher Randall. Yeah, Teacher Randall, please.
Okay, let's start. So, hi everyone. Hello. I'm Teacher Roy from the Philippines, and I've been teaching ESL for 3 years and love helping students speak English with confidence. My lessons are fun, interactive, customized to your goals. Let's learn together, book a class, and start speaking better in English today. See you in my class.
All right. Okay, thank you for that, Teacher Randall. So with your tone, with your tone as well, so it speaks volume, like it shows confidence as well. There's tone variation. Yeah, that gives more interaction and engaging sound sa mga listener. It would be better, like mas lalo na siguro pag sa audio pa lang. So try to record and a video and then post it. Try to market that one, teacher, considering the tone, and then kasi mas makaka-add yung nakikita nila, yung face natin, with our facial expression, with our eye contact, that we know, whenever they watch our videos, na feel nila, nako-convince mo sila. By watching videos, malalaman nila, oy, lively si teacher. Oy, si teacher has good sound. Oy, si teacher, no, teacher is so confident. I want to be like teacher. Yeah, something like that thing, right? Okay, so Teacher Randall, yeah, try to record that one, and then you start promoting yung mga videos na ganyan, teacher. All right?
Yes, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Teacher R. So, sino pa ang gusto mag-try? Everyone. Wala nang gustong mag-try? It's okay.
Try.
Oh yeah, Teacher E. Okay, Teacher E, please.
Coach, hindi ko pa na-memorize tong script ko. But anyway, all right. So, klaro ako, Coach, no? Klaro.
Yep.
All right. So, ang ko, Coach, usually, Coach, yung introduction ko talaga, I address my self-introduction to all the mommies are there. All the mommies there talaga, Coach. Kasi sila kasi ang mag-hire eh. So, yung yung message ko, hindi talaga sa mga bata, but for the mommies. So, ito, Coach. Ano ba to? Hey, mummies, I know the reason why you're here. You want your children to be the best English communicators someday. Excellent communicators are paid much higher, get promoted, and respected. By the way, I'm teacher Ernest. I've been teaching English for quite some time now.
Mhm.
Well, I enjoy teaching smart students like your children develop their conversational and written English, their self-confidence, as well as their argumentation skills.
Mhm.
Let me be a part of your children's bright future. See you
Mhm.
guys.
Okay, awesome. Right. Thank you, Teacher E. Yeah, with your tone, it has conviction. Yeah. When you say conviction means it has a firm manner of it has firmness that shows you know what you're talking about. And since your offer, I mean, your focus is more into argumentative something. So yung mga clients that they're into like debate preparation or mga exam or something. So yun, ma-attract din someone who wants to practice communication and oral communication skills, mas maano pa, mas ma-develop pa. So they'll be attracted to that as well. So try to record the one teacher in, try to pose it, and mark it with that with your
Mhm.
video, of course, with the tone, with conviction. It has ano din, we have to ano din with our facial expression na maging convincing siya na mas appealing siya sa mga viewers, like whenever whoever watches your video, they'll be like, wow, I can see the firmness, I can see the conviction from this teacher. Yeah, yung maiinganyo talaga, madadala talaga sila sa yung introduction na with your voice, with the tone na mag-enroll, right? Okay, thank you for that, Teacher E.
Thank you, Coach.
Yes, we
Actually,
have
Coach, sa'yo ko rin ito natutunan eh.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Teacher E. That was cool. Thank you. Teacher Catherine, please.
Hello po.
Yeah.
Clear po ba?
Yes.
Okay. Wait po. Hello everyone. My name is Teacher Kath, and I am a dedicated English as second language teacher with a
Mhm.
strong academic background in English education. I hold a degree in education, major in English, and have several years of experience teaching English to both young learners and adult students.
Mhm.
My teaching journey began as a tutor, where I provided support in various subjects. I later served as a senior high school English instructor, specializing in reading comprehension, grammar, academic writing, and oral communication. These experiences have equipped me with the skills to tailor lessons according to each student's level and learning goals. I'm excited to meet you in my class. Have a nice day and that's it po.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Teacher K. Okay, it was good. Okay, I would like
I'm a
to comment.
newbie pa lang po.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for a newbie that you're able to, you really took that chance to practice like narinig ko ngayon. So let me give you my ano din, yung feedback. So the tone, teacher, I don't know because magmamatter kasi yung with our personality. I don't know if your personal it's medyo mahinhin ba, right? Because
Mhm.
because the tone, the variation of your tone is medyo mahinhin siya pakinggan.
Okay
Yeah,
po.
yeah. So like na very soft siya. However, yun nga, lumalabas yung hinhin na boses na tinig. Kaya in terms of impact,
Mhm.
medyo if you're gonna compare it like with other, compare like let's say with other teachers, kung let's say kung pipiliin ng mga potential clients natin, medyo madedehado siya because it has lesser impact because of the soft na parang yung na yeah. Well, I think
Okay
it's
po.
in your personality, but yeah, you don't need to change your personality, Teacher K. You just have
Mhm.
to refine You know, the quality of your voice, especially the modulation, you know, of how you modulate your voice, especially like yung like hello, wag ganon, like hello. Sa hello, I'm teacher. Pag ano, di ba parang very soft.
Okay
So,
po.
I think you have to increase your, bigyan mo ng konting galit. Konting galit lang, teacher, para yung soft voice mo, magiging firm siya. Hindi naman yung, yung galit na galit talaga. But try to,
Okay.
kasi yung emotion natin, teachers, pag we try to be strong, right? Magsa-strong din. Magsi-change ang tone ng voice natin. Yeah.
Okay. Okay po.
Alright. Thank you for that, teacher Kay. At least, nabigyan kita ng ng point of view. So, anyway, it was good. Yun lang ang workout natin. Yan, para meron siyang firmness, meron siyang conviction, that whoever hears it or listens to you, they'll be like, okay, yeah, makukuha
Yun nga
talaga
po
yung
kasi
nila.
mahirap po akong magalit. Hindi po ako,
Kaya
mahirap po sa akin.
kaya nga, sabi ko, baka personality mo yan, kaya yung voice mo, very soft siya,
Kung estudyante pa
Okay
ako
po.
ngayon, coach, magpapa-under ako sa kanya kasi hindi magagalit eh.
Yeah, right?
Mahirap
Yeah.
po. Hirap po. Okay,
Mm.
thank you po.
Yeah, that's a good teacher case. So workout mo lang yung you don't need to, again, you don't need to change your personality, but you just have to find firmness para mag-change ang ano ba yan, yung kung need ng roughness ng voice mo para mas maging meron siyang not totally authority but firm sound. Yeah. All right.
Okay po.
Okay. Thank you, Teacher K.
Thank you
we
po.
have, you're welcome. We have Teacher Ophelia. Yes, Teacher O.
Hi,
Let's do
Coach. Good evening. Medyo pause lang.
it.
Okay. Hi, I'm Teacher Leah with 3 years of experience teaching English. I've had the privilege of working with students of all ages and levels, from beginners to advanced learners. I create fun, interactive lessons that fit each student's unique needs and goals. My teaching style is supportive, patient, and flexible, ensuring that you feel comfortable and motivated to learn. Whether you're looking to improve your conversational skills, prepare for exams, or enhance your business English, well, I'm here to help. As a freelancer, I offer personalized lessons and flexible scheduling to fit your busy lifestyle. Let's work together to reach your English goals and unlock your full potential. I'm excited to collaborate with you and help you achieve success in English. So, see you in my classroom.
Okay.
Bye, Coach.
All right. That was good. That was good, Teacher O. All right. So yeah, it was good. You have this yung tone na engaging, However, baka medyo na-push sarili natin, medyo na pitchy, tsaka parang merong
Faster na tayo, Coach. Kinakabahan ko.
yeah, I think that's because of the kinabahan ka. Well, that's a good that's a good I don't know, practice bucket. Because you're able to feel kaba with practice today. So with that, challenge yourself that you'll be able to overcome that kaba para maging normal yung feeling mo whenever you introduce yourself with with a crowd. Yes. But again, it was good, Teacher Off. Yun lang, medyo na pitchy siya, say pitchy, tumaas, medyo
Yes.
mataas na, tsaka yung dropping of tone, very strong na parang nagalit si teacher. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Naka-earphone bang gusto, Coach? Mauna use
Kaya
lang ang
pala.
voice na kung naka-noise cancelling.
Kaya, so it
Sa
has
ako
a
ang mga
factor
student
din.
manlingaw-lingaw pag kayo sila. Yeah.
Yes, but you have that you have that good foundation then. Yun lang sa SIV natin or like sa whenever you present or your SIV in competing with others, yun lang control lang natin yung emotion.
Yes, Kev.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you,
Yes.
Teacher Al. All right, next we have Teacher Nika. Teacher Ann, please.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Mm.
Marinig po ba?
Yes, clear,
Yes,
clear.
all right. So, hello everyone. I'm teacher Nika from the Philippines. Since 2023, I've had the privilege of teaching ESL learners of all ages, from toddlers to adults. I hold a TEFL, or Teaching English as a Foreign Language certification, and specialize in phonics, grammar, sentence construction, reading, speaking, and writing. My goal as a teacher is to help students become confident English communicators while developing a genuine love for learning. I believe lessons should be engaging, interactive, and tailored to each learner's unique needs. Whether you're just starting or looking to sharpen your skills, I'm here to guide and support you every step of the way. So, together, let's make learning English exciting and meaningful. See you in class.
All right. Okay. Wow. Thank you for that, teacher Nika. So first, wow, that's good. You have the advantage, teacher, that you have good quality of your voice. Na parang can you guys think of yung Jet Holiday? Ano nga yung ano uso ngayon, teachers? Yung Jet to Holiday. Sino bang naka-remember ng Jet to Holiday niyan? Familiar kayo yung Jet to Holiday? Ano ngayon? I forgot the script. Doing the Jet to Holiday. Di fa
Nothing beats.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Right? Nothing beats the yeah, yeah. So teacher Ann, I have to say you have an advantage in terms of the quality of your voice. So it feels good. Hindi siya strong, hindi siya medyo pitchy, hindi din siya soft. So yeah, that tone. I have to say that will attract more. That will attract clients than when whoever listens to your sound. At the same time, your pag-deliver mo kanina, it was natural. So the tone, the high and low was also fair. So hindi siya nobra, hindi din siya nagkulang. So teacher, I would suggest you have to record that one in a video and promote your video. Try to promote it sa Red Note, 'di ba? Your Red Note man yung ano natin, yung pinopost. Kasi did you know, everyone, meron kasi akong isang teacher din na pinost ko sa contacts ko sa Red Note. Kaya yung mga seeking for you may send your SIV kasi ipopost ko din yan sa own Red Note. Anong nangyari? Nakakuha kami na hindi ako kasi pinost ko din yung WeChat. Ang nangyari, mayroon talagang nag-contact sa kanya, but it's not direct na, no, it's a group of Chinese group na offer is 200 plus per hour. Yes. So, yun, si nag-contact din sa akin, nag-contact din kay teacher, then si teacher has to kung teacher, ikaw bahala kung anong kukunin mo yan or hindi. So, ganon ang nangyari. Kasi yun nga, I have to say, attractive yung SIV niya. Kaya teachers, you may send your SIV, lalo na yung into freelancing, ready na for freelancing. So you may send it para ipopost ko din yon sa Red Note account ko. Kasi ngayon, kasi I know hindi na ako naghanap ng mga private students ko. Ang ano ko na is kayo, ipopost ko na yung mga ninyo, mga SIVs in a way na maka-attract ng other mga potential clients. Along with that is your WeChat. Meron na bang WeChat lahat? Kompleto na
Coach,
ba kayo
meron
ng
na.
WeChat? Okay, that's good. If you guys have WeChat, so isend nyo din sa akin kasi, inedit ko, tingnan nyo, that's Teacher A. Si Teacher A. Sinubukan ko lang yun eh. Si Teacher, ito siya.
Teacher Celine, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Yeah. So, merong
Since 2018.
merong 57 views. So, send nyo lang sa akin with your WeChat. Kaya I'll post it sa aking, sa aking Red Note. Kaya, yun nga, nakakuha, may nag-contact sa kanya na Chinese group. So, it was 200 up plus per hour na weekly. So nakatulong. Alright? So, ganyan din sa account ni, that's how you promote it. Sa inedit ko yung, ano ba yan? yung SIV niya with gamit ang CapCut. CapCut na Chinese translation. So you need to have this Chinese translation, and nilagay ko yung WeChat sa gilid. Sinubukan ko lang. Yun ang nangyari. Kaya teachers, if you guys have that, so you may send it to me para ma-promote ko din kayo. Okay? All right.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you, Coach.
Yes, you're welcome, teacher. So, but again, so you have to be ready as well, kasi that's what freelancing na. Yung may direct contact, sila na mismo magko-contact sa inyo. So you have to prepare you have to prepare something what you can put on the table, right? So equip yourselves with ano yung mga lessons na ma-offer ninyo. Yeah, like is it for phonics ba, grammar ba, vocabulary ba, and if you're focusing with adults or junior classes. So yan, napaka-importante na you guys have that kind of clear set language courses na i-offer niyo para kung mag-contact sila. Meron pa nga akong nag-chat na yun naman, like, how are you doing? I want to learn. How do you charge? Yung mga ganon. Mga ganon na mga setup. Sila na mismo. Pero, late na ako nakaka-reply. Yun kasi medyo busy at hindi na naging priority. Saan yun nakuha? Doon pa din yun sa Red Note. Pero ano yung naging basihan? Yung SIV, yung videos. Napakalaking tulong talaga, teachers. Bakit? Kasi naririnig ka nila, nakikita ka nila, that's valid proof na you can speak well, you have this tone, you have this communication skills na need nila at you can teach those language courses. All right? So for the new ones, teachers, our goal, since you have heard other teachers na meron ng experience, be challenged. Hala, ang ganda nilang pakinggan, right? Challenge yourself. Paano ko kaya ma-develop yun? Okay? So, how you can practice more that? Episoden. Sino pa bang gumagamit ng Episoden dito? Nakalimutan nyo na yung Episoden. Ano yung Episoden? It's a free platform where you can have chances meeting and having conversation with foreign individuals. Yeah. So, if you're not that confident pa, practice nyo sarili nyo makipag-usap sa mga foreign individuals or language foreign people sa Episoden. With that, you will be able to keep on practicing or speaking English as well. All right, teachers. Whatever you plant, it will always grow. Do you believe that? But if you won't plant anything, if you won't exert effort, I don't think you would be able to harvest good fruits, right? Right? So we need to plant. We really need to plant. And by planting, exert efforts. You really have to go out from your comfort zone. Bigger opportunities can be attained outside from our comfort zones. Yeah. Also, you have to make priorities. How long do you want to plan? How long do you plan to stay to stay in that particular area of your life? Yeah, you need to set timeline para makuha mo yung mga dream mo successively or progressively. Yeah. All right, teachers? So, ganon. I hope, okay? So, yun na. I hope you guys, for those who have heard the different introduction at saka bosses ng other teachers, and you have also heard my feedback para mas maging attractive. You guys, try to practice as much as you can and listen to yourself, then recording, also send it to me para mabigyan ko din ng feedback. Don't stop, because I won't stop as well. Okay, this is not a one-way journey. We're gonna do this together, because ako mismo ang magiging happy once magiging successful kayo sa field na to. All right, teachers?
Yes,
Okay?
Thank you, Coach.
Yes.
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, you're welcome, teacher. So I guess that's for today natin, at least you guys were able to, parang na-remind ba? Hala, yes, that's how important SIV is, especially if you're gonna start, if you're gonna start, promoting yourself, direct, targeting direct clients. SIV plays important part. Same din yan kung mag-a-apply ka for the new ones. SIV plays important part kasi yan nga, diyan evaluate if yun din yung rate mo. You know what? Noon, I always have chances na negotiate ko yung rate ko sa mga kung sino yung gustong ipaturo ako sa kanila. I always negotiate because I know what I can offer. I know what my SIV can offer. Parang ganun, teachers. So yeah, if you're not that yet confident, gain more confidence through practicing, through learning more, through gaining more information and practicing more of your skills. All right. So I'm happy for you all. Okay, for those who are already teaching, keep striving, keep working, keep aiming higher. For those who are not yet teaching pa, who is into nag-a-apply pa, yes, so do your task sa SIV, send it to me, and then yung recording ninyo, send it to me kasi ang nandito nga na nakapag-start na, I asked for their class recording before I gave them schedule for demo. Kasi I have to make sure na may alam na kayo before going to a battle para hindi masayang ang mga opportunities or mga accounts na i-demo. Okay? All right? So, thank you everyone and have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you,
See
Coach.
you then.
See you, Coach.
Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you,
everyone.
Coach. Bye.
Thank you. Good night.
you.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Thank you po.